The world is experiencing a major shift, and artificial intelligence is playing a huge role in speeding up that transformation. Even Tesla, best known for leading the electric vehicle revolution, has entered the AI arena. To push the boundaries of what AI can do in the real world, Tesla has developed a humanoid robot called Optimus. This innovative robot has captured significant public interest, largely due to Tesla's strong reputation and the trust people place in the brand, a point Elon Musk himself has emphasized. Optimus is being described as one of the most advanced robots ever created, packed with proprietary tech built right into its core. It's designed specifically to handle mundane or repetitive tasks that most people would rather not do. With the latest generation, Optimus Gen 3, the robot's capabilities have expanded dramatically, now able to take on over 1,000 different tasks, ranging from basic chores like cleaning to more intricate responsibilities. Welcome to Tesla Car World, where the spotlight is shifting from EVs to humanoid robotics. In fact, Musk has suggested that Optimus could one day be Tesla's most valuable product. Musk believes Optimus has the potential to help Tesla reach a staggering $25 trillion valuation. Why? Because he envisions global demand in the billions. And Tesla, he argues, is the only company positioned to mass-produce robots at scale. Unlike the crowded EV market, the humanoid robot sector remains wide open with virtually no serious competition. Recently, Musk shared that Tesla plans to build 10,000 Optimus units at the Fremont facility, with production ramping up rapidly from there. Initial output could hit 1,000 units in the first quarter alone, growing to 10,000 by year's end. However, it's worth noting that Tesla doesn't plan to sell these robots just yet. Instead, the initial wave of Optimus units will be deployed within Tesla's own operations, helping out on assembly lines, in logistics, and across factory departments. The intention isn't to replace workers or focus solely on profits, but rather to demonstrate what the technology is capable of in a real-world industrial setting. Interestingly, despite its use in factories, Optimus has always been envisioned as a potential home assistant. Tesla's demo videos often show the robot doing household tasks like cleaning, serving beverages, accepting deliveries, and even watering plants. Musk has said that if the robot can genuinely perform valuable functions, nearly every person on Earth could want one. Just imagine a $20,000 robot handling your daily chores, cooking, washing, cleaning, and maybe even caring for your family. Optimus runs for nearly 10 hours on a single charge, thanks to Tesla's advanced 4,680 battery cells. Its AI-powered brain and sophisticated sensor array give it the ability to adapt and perform tasks with human-like precision and care. From folding laundry and cooking meals to looking after children or the elderly, Gen 3 is the most capable version yet. A premium model is expected to launch by mid-2026, ushering in the transition from internal use to commercial availability. Tesla is working toward an ambitious production roadmap, currently aiming for 1,000 robots per month, increasing to 10,000 per month next year, and eventually hitting 100,000 per month by 2027. Musk is confident Tesla will be able to manufacture around 1 million humanoid robots annually within just a few years. He's even suggested roles for Optimus that go beyond chores: babysitting, teaching, dog walking, lawn care, grocery runs, or simply being a helpful companion. Whether it's serving drinks at a bar, folding a shirt, or walking your dog, Optimus is expected to adapt quickly and learn a wide range of skills. To put it in perspective, while a Tesla car like the Model 3 might cost around $40,000 and often sits idle in a parking space, a $20,000 robot could be working non-stop, helping with countless daily tasks. The value proposition is clear, and it could change how we think about productivity at home and at work. Elon Musk has stated that although the initial price of Optimus will be high, it's expected to drop significantly once large-scale production begins. According to Musk, manufacturing the Optimus robot is actually simpler than building an electric vehicle, which could speed up the process and lower costs over time. He frequently mentions that Optimus is designed to be more than just a machine. It's meant to serve as a household helper and even a companion. Whether it's answering questions or completing tasks, the robot is intended to perform with efficiency and ease. Because of this, there's a growing anticipation among consumers who are tired of daily chores and eager for Tesla to release Optimus. That said, buyers will need to wait until early 2026 before the robot officially hits the market. While this timeline might seem long, it allows Tesla to further refine Optimus, enhance its functionality, and ensure greater reliability compared to its current state. The delay is strategic. It gives Tesla the opportunity to fine-tune both hardware and software, ensuring that what reaches consumers is polished and practical. This is only the beginning of a much larger technological journey. When Optimus finally arrives, it's expected to operate fully on its own. Naturally, people are curious. Can it really perform tasks autonomously? In reality, there were moments last year when Tesla showcased Optimus under remote control. For instance, during the Cybercab event last October, 43 humanoid robots were presented, but observers noticed that some are being directed by Tesla staff. This sparked skepticism online, with many questioning whether the robots could actually function independently. Understandably, no one wants to invest in an expensive robot that can't operate without human input. However, this stage of development is not a setback. It's a necessary part of the learning curve. Remote control is being used to help Optimus learn and adapt by collecting data during real-world tasks. Think of it like teaching a child how to do something. They first need guidance, but over time they learn to do it on their own. Elon Musk has addressed this criticism, noting that just like Tesla's self-driving vehicles, Optimus requires extensive training to become fully autonomous. But the pace of development has been accelerating. In just the fourth quarter of last year, Tesla introduced several updates to the robot, teaching it new skills like catching a tennis ball and walking on uneven ground. These rapid advancements show that Tesla is putting considerable resources and focus into Optimus, possibly even more than into its electric vehicles. In fact, Tesla's marketing efforts for Optimus have been unprecedented. The company even reportedly enlisted Kim Kardashian to help promote it, an unusual move, especially considering Musk's general reluctance to spend heavily on advertising for other Tesla products. This shows just how important Optimus is to Tesla's long-term vision. Interestingly, the use of remote control isn't necessarily a downside. It has practical value. For example, in dangerous environments like a fire or disaster zone, a human operator could control Optimus from a safe distance, using it to carry out tasks that would be too risky for people. Currently, Optimus moves at about 1 meter per second, roughly 2.2 miles per hour, on level ground, but Tesla plans to double that speed as development continues. Once Tesla officially launches Optimus to the public, one of its most critical areas of development will be improving its movement, particularly how it walks and uses its hands. Right now, many people poke fun at the Tesla bot's wobbly, awkward steps. We laugh too at first, but after taking a closer look, we realize there's much more going on beneath the surface. You might have noticed that Optimus often moves in a crouched, bent-knee posture, almost like an elderly person, or perhaps like a certain well-known figure. This has led some to wonder, why does it look so slow and stiff? Is it intentional? Critics have even argued that Tesla should stick to making electric cars instead of diverting time and money into humanoid robots. But the truth is, Tesla isn't trying to make Optimus slow. It's simply part of the learning curve. Creating a walking, functional humanoid robot is a much more complex challenge than designing electric vehicles, which Tesla has been perfecting for years. Getting a robot to walk upright, balance correctly, and respond in real time to unpredictable environments takes enormous effort. It's a fusion of mechanical engineering, AI, and dynamic control, all working in perfect harmony. Just think about what goes in a natural bipedal movement. For a robot to walk smoothly on two legs, it has to process massive amounts of data, analyze its environment, and constantly adjust its posture and movements. And walking is only part of it. Tesla also wants Optimus to interact with objects, perform real-world tasks, and assist humans in different environments. So the coordination between its software and hardware has to be incredibly refined. One reason Tesla isn't rushing to speed up Optimus is because of safety. A robot that weighs dozens of kilograms, moving too quickly without proper balance, could be dangerous, not just to itself but to the people around it. By keeping its pace slow for now, Tesla can focus on improving how it handles uneven terrain, reacts to external forces, and gradually makes its gait more natural. If you look back at history, most revolutionary inventions were ridiculed at first. Early cars were dismissed for being slower than horses, and the first airplanes were seen as impractical novelties. But over time, those technologies reshaped how we live. The Tesla bot may be facing similar doubt today, but the story is far from over. Pay attention to how Optimus walks on different surfaces, and you'll see the robot is already adapting. On flat factory floors, its knees are slightly bent, but not as much as when it climbs or descends ramps. On inclines, gravity acts at an angle, creating torque that could throw the robot off balance. To stay stable, Optimus lowers its center of gravity by bending its knees more, which also helps it grip the surface and avoid slipping. Most robots either fall over when stability fails or rely on external aids like cables or support rigs. But Tesla is pushing for something more advanced. Optimus is designed to remain balanced entirely on its own, mimicking the way humans adjust instinctively. And what's even more impressive is that during a mobility test last year, Optimus walked while essentially blind. Its head-mounted 2D cameras were inactive, meaning the robot had to rely solely on body sensors and onboard AI to guide its steps. That test demonstrated how far Tesla has come. A humanoid robot navigating space with only internal systems and intelligent programming. It's not perfect yet, but it's learning fast, and it's only getting better with every iteration. Tesla has equipped the Optimus robot with highly sophisticated sensors that play a critical role in understanding and interpreting its surroundings. What truly impressed observers was the speed at which Optimus can process this data. In a post shared by Milan Kovad on X, formerly Twitter, it was revealed that Optimus completes each control cycle in just 2 to 3 milliseconds. That translates to around 400 to 500 updates every second, an incredibly fast rate that enables it to respond to real-time situations with almost instantaneous precision. Think of Optimus's AI brain as more than just reactive. It's predictive. It constantly analyzes current data while simultaneously anticipating what might happen next, allowing it to make decisions with foresight rather than simply reacting. This predictive capacity sets Optimus apart from many other robots on the market, even among more established models. If you followed Tesla's journey with full self-driving FSD, you'll recognize how this capability has now transitioned into their humanoid robotics. In Tesla's October update video, we saw Optimus ascending stairs, a significant milestone. At the time, though, it had yet to demonstrate the more complex ability of walking down them. Descending stairs requires fine control of balance and gravity to prevent a fall. But recent tests showed Optimus navigating downward slopes with ease, suggesting that stair descent has also been mastered. This development signals that Optimus is now capable of handling a variety of uneven terrains, making it suitable for practical work in many environments, from sloped farmlands to multi-level homes. The real-world utility of Optimus is expanding fast. It can now be envisioned helping with agricultural tasks on rugged landscapes, carrying loads up staircases, or performing household duties across multiple floors. Notably, Elon Musk confirmed late last year that both the Cybertruck and Optimus would be among the first products sent to Mars, provided SpaceX's mission succeed. Considering the planet's rocky and irregular terrain, the robot's improved mobility could prove extremely useful. Its adaptability also makes it ideal for search and rescue operations in environments where human access is limited. These upgrades, in both hand dexterity and movement, are significant and for good reason. Musk once said that Optimus could run continuously for up to 8 hours. At first, many assumed this would require a large battery. Surprisingly, Tesla went in a different direction. Rather than inserting a bulky energy pack, the company opted for a 2.3 kilowatt-hours battery, a relatively modest size. But with Tesla's cutting-edge expertise in energy storage, especially its 4,680 battery cells, the decision makes sense. These cells, originally designed for high-performance vehicles like the Cybertruck, allow Optimus to remain lightweight without compromising performance. As a result, the second-generation Optimus weighs just 138 pounds, 62.6 kilograms, lighter than many adult humans. What's more, the battery supports ultra-fast charging, capable of reaching full capacity in just 10 minutes. For comparison, a Tesla Model Y with a significantly larger 81 kilowatt-hour battery takes about 30 minutes to charge. So, it's no surprise a battery more than 30 times smaller charges in a fraction of the time. But perhaps the most surprising element is how Tesla chose to recharge the robot. Rather than requiring it to plug in like an EV, Optimus recharges wirelessly, an elegant, futuristic solution. Tesla even rethought how the robot should rest while charging. Having it lie down would occupy too much space, so they designed a vertical docking station where Optimus hangs upright while powering down. This approach is both space-efficient and energy-conscious, mirroring Tesla's approach to automated parking systems. Tesla is clearly leveraging its existing strengths, from electric vehicles to robotics, to create an integrated vision of autonomy. Whether it's the Cybercab, Robo-Van, or now the Optimus humanoid, these innovations are shaping a future where machines operate on their own, recharge themselves, and function without constant human input. And given the pace of development, that future may be closer than we think.